welcome guys. This is the unboxing of one of the new Sandisk Extreme PLUS micro UHS-I card with adapter, extreme speeds for far transfer. So this SD will go with my XZ for 4K and has 4K signification. So it's a very simple guide, guys. Just must open it up. I just wanted to show you so you know what's. So if you don't go on in some fakes ones, you never know. They're in the market a lot. Maybe are fakes. Yes, I know why you're making an unboxing of an SD card. I just wanted to show people, and also it has also 1 year software support by Sandisk. So I wanted to show you mostly in this unboxing how the real one, because this is the real one, I think so. I hope it is. Authenticate of this SD card. So I want to show you exactly how this one looks and shows, so you know. So this is the steel card, the 64. The bigger one is different colors. So if my camera focus a bit on the SD, maybe. Come on, Sony. No. Extreme PLUS. Here we go. 64. V30X1. And a 3 down, and from the back side we have something like that, the chip. This is not the most cheap one, of course. It says made in China and the number. It doesn't want to focus. Made in China and the number. So that was the unboxing, guys, of the SD card of the new for my new phone. Take a photo. So thank you for watching another of my video. Thank you. Like, it helps a lot. If you didn't like it, you know what you can do. Write a comment below and I will catch up to you next time.